lovely and beautiful day, and good to have you listening and watch us from Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Grace Adebayo, and today is World Environmental Day, and then World Environmental Day was first celebrated in 1973, 5th of June 1973, and today makes it the 50th anniversary. So World Environmental Day has actually been celebrated trying to create awareness how to take care of our environment in order to make our environment conducive for all of us to live in. Today's theme for the World Environmental Day is Solution to Plastic Pollution. Solution to plastic pollution. Hashtag beat plastic pollution. Hashtag beat plastic pollution. And then the country that is going to be hosting for this year, the country that is hosting for this year is Cote d'Ivoire, and then where Netherlands are supporting them. Yeah. World Environmental Day is actually a day set aside to create awareness on how to take care of the environment. A day set aside for us to look at the things that pollute our environment and how to do away with them. And then, as I've earlier on said, today this year 2023 own is solution to plastic pollution. Solution to plastic pollution. As we all know, and as all of us are actually certainly aware that all of us daily, every day, we cannot do away with plastic because we buy drinks, we buy water, we buy food outside from eateries and the rest and all of that. And it's also amazing that this plastic that we actually litter everywhere around are actually actually causing us a lot of harm, a lot of havoc. Research has also shown that 400 million tons of plastic are actually produced every year, and half of which, it is designed for it not to be recycled. And so you can imagine where all of this end up. They end up in our ocean, they end up in our lakes, and that is why we have lots of floods here and there, because for a plastic to decompose, it takes more than 1,000 years before it can decompose. So you can imagine the kind of havoc it is actually causing to us. And also another amazing thing and most interesting thing is that this plastic will actually be thrown around everywhere. It's actually money, reason because we can actually recycle them. And now this is where the great awareness come in for this year 2023 thing. Hashtag beat plastic pollution. This plastic will litter everywhere or litter around. It's actually money. You can pack your plastic, after buying your drink, after buying your water, you can pack them, you can package them, and then take them to where people are buying. The organization that buy these plastics, because they are actually meant to be recycled. So this is a great awareness to us. From now henceforth, please don't take a drink, don't take the water, and then you litter it around. Please do us good and do yourself good by keeping it aside and then taking it to where you can also get some money. Yeah, you can also get some money from it. And then I also want to tell us that any plastic that is not reusable, we should do away with them. We should do away with them. You are the solution and also the solution. So for us to end all this littering of our environment, causing lots of toxic to our health and the rest, you and I have to stand on our feet, to bring this to an end. And this awareness also, we're also calling on our religious leaders, the pastors, the imam, even our teachers, our lecturers. They should also help us, because this actually is an urgent need that if it is not taken care of, it's actually going to do us more harm than good. And then one of the ways also that we can actually do away with plastic is we should learn to cook our meals by ourselves. Most of us goes to restaurants to go and buy meals, you go to go and buy food, and you end up packing all this plastic, and last, you can't actually use them. They are not reusable. And then you litter everywhere with it. Please, we should also be conscious. It's good that you make your own meal the way you want it, the way you want it to look, the way you want to garnish it, the way you want to spice it. We should reduce the way we buy food. Another way is we should learn to purify the water we take by ourselves. Because at those days there when I was growing up, we used to buy Water guard. We used to buy water guard, to put in our water after boiling it, and then you put in water guard to purify our water. Most of the water that we even take nowadays, they are not actually even pure. So we should try to also try to purify the water that we take in order to reduce the plastic pollution in our environment. And also, we should learn to buy our drinks in bulk. Buy your drinks, your water, anything you want to purchase, learn to buy it in bulk. When you buy it in bulk, at least if you want to take water or you want to take a drink, you can simply get a water bottle, you pour it in, and then you take the plastic that's maybe you return it from can be kept aside. You get money from it. We should learn not to litter our environment with plastic. And also, those of us that burn plastic, I'm telling you, you have to stop, and you must stop, because burning plastic actually causes toxic, to our health, and also it causes climate damaging. It is not good that you burn plastic. It is not good. It is not good. And this solution starts with you, and it starts with me. And it is high time that we stand on our feet, to work out in a way that the environment will be very conducive and comfortable for us. So please, you are the solution. I am also the solution. Let's not forget the theme once again for this year is solution to plastic pollution. And come to think of itself, if we are actually disposing this plastic as it ought to be, that's taking it to the appropriate place, and then it is being recycled. Even some of the drinks we purchase, some of the drinks we buy, and even the water we buy, possibly the cost will be reduced, because the same bottle, the same plastic are going to be recycled and then well taken care of for us to be able to reuse them. So please, the awareness for this year is solution to plastic pollution. I say again, you are the solution, I am the solution. It starts with you, and it starts with me. Thank you very much for listening. My name again is Grace Adebayo, and keep shining like this.